Forest fires are scary. Everything burns down. Everything dies. But this tree can not only survive fires, but also thrive after them. In this video, we explore some extraordinary trees that thrive after fires and benefit from lightning. This is the giant sequoia, found on the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada mountains in California. They grow to an average height of 50 to 80 meters. This massive tree is one of the most fire-resilient trees on the planet. Why? First, look at its bark. Giant sequoias have some of the thickest bark of any tree, up to 45 to 60 centimeters thick at the base. The bark's fibrous, layered structure contains air pockets that reduce heat transfer and slow down fire scorching inward, keeping the living cambium or growth tissue safe. Unlike many conifers, sequoia bark doesn't contain a lot of flammable resins. Instead, it chars slowly rather than bursting into flames. Another feature that makes the giant sequoia fire resilient is its elevated canopy. As giant sequoias mature, their lower branches often fall off naturally. The lowest branches are high above the ground, so fires don't reach them and the leaves. One final fire adaptation is fire-triggered regeneration, specifically serotiny. Giant sequoias have specialized cones that remain closed for years until triggered to open by forest fires. The seeds then fall onto the fresh mineral soil left behind after fire clears leaf litter and competing vegetation. This gives them a much better chance to germinate and grow. So giant sequoias aren't just resistant, they require fire for successful regeneration. This is a eucalyptus. It's a type of tree that is at the same time a fire hazard and a very fire-adapted tree. There are more than 600 species of eucalyptus. Their leaves contain volatile compounds or oils that make the tree flammable. Dead twigs and branches fall and add to litter fuel at the base of the tree. These trees often have very dense crowns, allowing fire to move quickly through canopy fuels. But although fire hazardous, they are also fire adapted. One key feature that eucalyptuses have is the ability to generate new shoots from epicormic strands. Many other trees have epicormic buds, which are dormant buds that lie beneath the bark. They contain cells that have the potential to develop into shoots. Instead, eucalyptuses have evolved epicormic strands, which are long strands of tissue running from deep inside the trunk to the bark. These strands are well protected, and their deep positioning makes them able to grow into shoots after fires. Like giant sequoias, eucalyptuses also have thick, insulating bark, protecting the strands and the tree even further. Another adaptation is lignotubers. Lignotubers are vital, woody swellings at the base of the tree, packed with dormant buds and nutrients. They act as an underground survival kit to rapidly regrow the tree after damage like fire. Almost 95% of eucalyptus species have them. One last adaptation is serotiny, just like giant sequoias. Many eucalyptus seed capsules only open to release seeds when heated by fire. Competing vegetation is cleared away by fire, so the seeds can then grow better. Because of these adaptations, eucalyptuses can survive fires, and moderate forest fires are essential for maintaining eucalyptus forests. This is the Dipteryx Oleifera, often called the Tonka bean tree or the almendro. It grows in tropical regions from Central America to northern South America. It's a very large canopy tree, growing up to 40 to 50 meters. And an interesting fact about this tree is that it loves lightning. The almendro is about 4 meters taller than surrounding trees, and it has a large, wide crown. This makes it more likely to be hit by lightning. One study estimated that almendro trees can be about 68% more likely to be struck than average trees. This may seem bad, but almendro trees struck directly by lightning showed little to no severe damage, while nearby vegetation suffered greatly. Researchers suggest that Dipteryx Oleifera wood may have lower electrical resistance than that of other species, allowing lightning current to pass through more easily without heating the tissues to lethal temperatures. What's more, observations found that trees surrounding the Dipteryx trees were killed by lightning that spread through touching branches or vines. Lightning strikes also helps almendros kill parasitic vines on the tree. After being struck by lightning, Dipteryx Oleifera trees have less competitors and parasites competing for nutrients, light, and space. In summary, lightning helps the Dipteryx Oleifera kill competitors, while giant sequoias use fire to reproduce and grow better, and eucalyptuses use their fire-adapted traits to survive wildfires. These are three extraordinary trees that thrive when other trees die.